Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be recreating a recipe from a keto-friendly cookbook that I recently purchased. I am making keto-friendly jalapeno poppers. Okay, so today I'm going to half the recipe, but I will be giving you full measurements, and the cookbook that I purchased was My Southern Keto Kitchen. This is from a YouTuber that goes by the channel name Time to Shrink. I will link her YouTube channel and cookbook link below this video. I'm going to be using half of a pound of pork sausage. Again, you'll need a full pound for the recipe. You'll also need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Next, you will need 2 cups of shredded cheese of your choice. I'm going with cheddar today. And you will also add seasoning to your taste. Use a seasoning of your choice. I'm using all seasoning salts. And you will need 15 whole jalapenos. And you'll want to remove the seeds and half them, which will in turn give you 30 poppers. And you will also need 1 slice of bacon per popper. So if you are making a full recipe, that is 30 slices of bacon. I'm using a normal, regular sliced bacon. If you're using something like thick cut, the cook time will probably vary. So I'm going to make half of the recipe, but I only had 10 slices of bacon. The package of bacon that I have only has 10 slices, so I'm only making 10 poppers. But again, if you want the full recipe and more, go check out the link to this cookbook. It is so easy and user-friendly if you're just getting into keto lifestyle. Okay, so I've combined my ingredients to make the filling. So now you'll just want to add maybe a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half to the halved cleaned jalapeno. Then you'll want to take 1 slice of bacon and completely wrap the filled jalapeno. You want to make sure you cover the cheese filling. This is just going to help keep it inside the jalapeno. So once you wrap that around, you'll want to place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So once you're done assembling all of your poppers, it's time for the oven. You are going to place them in a cold oven, and once you put it in the oven, then you'll want to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you are going to bake these for around 30 to 35 minutes. Actually, mine cooked for about 35 minutes, and in the book, it does mention that you can flip them over, but I did not even flip them over, and this is smelling so good. So I'm going to remove them from the oven, and you can serve. You might want to let them set, but if you just can't wait, go for it. These literally are so easy to make. They're keto friendly for those of you that have been asking me for keto recipes, and they are delicious. So I'm going to dig in, but I definitely hope you guys check the description below. Go check out the links for the YouTube channel and the recipe book. And as always, thanks for watching.